We're not in Milan anymore. No more Lake Como.
What did I say? Isabel Mar saying too much. That's what you call it. The clip. Isabel Mar. Oh my god, it's Isabel Mar's camera.
Let's rate the food.
Okay, the first one was the appetizer. Yung bread. Honestly, nung nakita ko, I was like, parang pwede yung gawin sa bahay.
Yes.
Felt like, kaya ko yun gawin sa microwave.
Exactly.
Kinda ugly looking. I give that
Nanigas yung cheese.
a 1.5 out of 10. Because I like bread naman. How about you?
Bread, yung isang side soggy. Diba?
Mm-hmm.
Hindi siya overall toasted.
But it's bread.
Yeah, I love bread.
Yeah, I love bread also.
And I
That's
love
why.
Tomato.
Yeah.
Pero yung ginamit
Kinda
ng
yuck. Girl, alam mo parang siya spaghetti sauce?
Yes, yes.
Kinda disgusting.
Oo, kalasan niya yung spaghetti.
Oh,
Oh, ikaw kuya, what's your rating for the appetizer?
2.
Wow, that's naman. How about you? What was your rating? I didn't see your rating.
Appetizer,
2. Okay. For the pasta,
Oh!
Kinda disgusting. Very, very disgusting. So for the overall experience of the pasta, honestly, na-entertain naman ako dun sa raclette. So, I give it a 2.
Girl!
It was so bad. It was so bland. Alam ko na. Alam mo yung pasta na mabibili mo sa like mga stall sa labas. Tapos yung may mga ham. Yung carbonara nila na may ham. Yung parang it tasted
mid.
Exactly like that. Not even mid. For a restaurant like this.
Ay, oo.
Oh my god. Like, if you buy it, like yung mga stall na siguro tig 50 pesos, parang it's okay na for its price. Pero dito, oh my goodness.
Pasta.
2. How about you, kuya? What's your rating for the pasta?
1. I miss Tita Yang's pasta.
Oh, I miss
okay.
you, mom!
If i-compare natin kay Tita Rhea,
No, walang-wala.
wala sa 2.
Tita Yang, uwi ka na.
Okay, so for the pizza, presentation-wise, parang okay naman. Sa
Yung crust niya, ang tigas.
Oo. Saka yung prosciutto, my goodness. Parang fake.
Oh, real, synthetic.
Parang synthetic
Nag-aalala ko yung kakain ko yun o hindi.
Parang, I rated, a 2 also. I rated a 2 out of 10. How about you?
1.
1. How about you, kuya? I like it because of the bread naman. Because it's bread. Pero the crust ang tigas nga talaga. But the overall experience,
Service was good.
2.6 kilometers.
service was okay. So overall, I rated the 4, the experience. I would never go back there again.
I won't go back. I won't bring someone there. I won't go on a date there.
Overall experience, how would you rate it?
3.
See, would you go back?
No.
Sayang naman the 500 peso voucher they gave.
Plus points doon.
Sana naman, binawas na lang yun sa bill natin, diba? So, ayun. Never going back there. Bye!